This week in math, we are talking about our old friend addition. Addition is where we take two small numbers and we put them together to make a big number, kindergarten. So we use a plus sign, which looks like a bow tie because it ties those two small numbers to make that big number. We also have an equal sign, which is like a road. It leads us to the answer to that big number, kindergarten. Do you remember how we started writing our addition sentences this week? I want you to practice writing one addition sentence for me our new way. Just write the addition sentence 3 plus 1 equals. Did you write your addition sentence up and down, kindergarten? This is our new way of writing them. We don't have to write them this way. I just want you to know that whenever you see them like this, I just want you to be able to solve them anyway. You can write them going across like we usually have them, or you can write them up and down, whichever way works for you. So it says 3 plus 1 equals. Let's practice using our illustrations to help us solve this problem today. So I have two friends with me today. This is Debbie and this is Robert. They are some people that I know. So they're going to hang out with us today. So let's say that Debbie has 3 grapes. Debbie has 3 grapes. Now, kindergarten, you absolutely do not have to draw Debbie and you do not have to draw Robert, but let's draw 3 grapes. Do you remember which shape we always use? Just because it's easier for us to draw. Just circles. So let's just draw 3 grapes for Debbie. 1, 2, 3. 3 grapes for Debbie. And Robert has 1 grape. He just has 1 grape. So I'm going to draw 1 grape for Robert. 1. So now we have 3 plus 1. Just like our addition sentence says, 3 plus 1 equals. We drew it. Instead of using objects to count it out, we can draw too. So let's count it up and see how many grapes they have. Do you remember how we count the things we draw? We can't move them to put them in a straight line. We can't move them off to the side when we count. We put a little dot on them. That way we know I already counted that one. Would you please help me count up their grapes? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4, kindergarten. I'm going to write a 4 underneath. Good job, kindergarten. Let's do a couple more together. So if you have your piece of paper, if you have blank spots on it, that's great. You are going to help me by writing your addition sentence and by illustrating our problem. Now again, we just draw circles, and absolutely you do not have to draw Debbie or Robert. You don't have to do that. They're just here to hang out and to make this a little bit more fun. So when you're illustrating your addition sentence, just draw circles. So if you need a new piece of paper, you can go get one now. If you need to wipe off your dry erase board, you can do that now too. And I'll see you back here in just a couple seconds. So for our next one, let's say that Debbie has 4 strawberries. 4. So let's draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's say Robert has 4 strawberries too. Let's draw 4 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4. Now, before we count, let's go and write our addition sentence. And let's practice writing it up and down, vertical. 4 plus 4 equals 4 plus 4, what do I need now? Equals a straight line at the bottom. 4 plus 4 equals. Debbie has 4 strawberries. Robert has 4 strawberries. Let's count them up and see how many strawberries they have all together. Remember to put a dot on each of the strawberries when you count them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 strawberries. I'm going to write that for my addition sentence at the bottom. is called the sum. When you find the answer to an addition sentence, the answer is called the sum. Sum. Can you help me read our addition sentence today? Here we go. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Good job, kindergarten. All right, get ready because we're going to do another one. All right, kindergarten, here we go. Debbie has 1 cat. 1. So we're going to draw 1 circle for Debbie. Robert has 5 cats. Let's draw 5 circles for Robert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Debbie has 1 cat, so you only drew 1 circle for her. Robert has 5 cats, so you drew 5 circles for him. Let's turn this into an addition sentence that goes up and down. 1 plus 5 equals. 1 plus 5 equals. Do you remember what we call that answer at the bottom? We call that the sum. The sum. We call the answer the sum. Okay, how are we going to solve this, though? How are we going to solve 1 plus 5? We need to count up our circles. That's right. Remember, we need to put a dot in there just in case so that we don't accidentally count them up too many times. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. They have 6 cats all together. 6. Okay, let's read our addition sentence. It says 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 cats, kindergarten. Good job. Let's do one more problem together. Okay, kindergarten, here we go. Debbie has 7 pieces of pizza. I know what shape pizza is, but let's do circles anyway. Debbie has 7 pieces of pizza. Draw 7 circles, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Debbie has 7 pieces of pizza. Robert has 0 pieces of pizza. So let's draw 0. Wait a second. We can't draw anything because he has 0 pieces. He doesn't have any pieces. So I can't draw any circles at all because 0 means nothing. Okay, let's see if we can turn this into an addition sentence. So Debbie has 7 pieces. Okay, I'll start there. I'll put a 7 at the top. We're adding, so I need my plus sign. And Robert has no pieces of pizza. So I need to put the number 0. I need to put the number 0. And then I put my equal sign. Okay, so now it says 7 plus 0 equals. Let's count it up and see what our answer is. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 0 equals 7, kindergarten. That makes sense. Let's see what our addition sentence says today. Here we go. 7 plus 0 equals 7, kindergarten. Good job. You guys are doing a great job. I do believe that I have a game for you in your math packet this week. You can go and play any of those math games that you really want to play, kindergarten, because they're all just practicing addition. Here is your warm fuzzy for your math lesson today. You guys are doing a great job, and I'll see you guys later.